Consider the problem y equal to x raised to sin x plus sin x raised to cos x. So, as in the previous problem, y equal to u plus v, where u equal to x raised to sin x, v equal to sin x raised to cos x. And differentiating this one, this gives dy upon dx equal to du upon dx plus dv by dx, and after finding the derivatives of u, that is x raised to sin x, and derivative of v, that is sin x raised to cos x, so substitute in this equation. Therefore this equal to 1, equation 1. So now differentiate u. So let u equal to x raised to sin x. Observe here. So function raised to function, therefore taking log. Therefore taking log on both sides. Therefore log u equal to log x raised to sin x. So log m raised to n. So therefore log m raised to n, m equal to x, n equal to sin x here. So m log m raised to n is n log x. Therefore this equal to log u equal to sin x into log x. Sin x into log x. Observe, this is the product of two functions. Now differentiate u with respect to x. So therefore differentiating with respect to x, therefore 1 by u, derivative of u is du upon dx, this equal to d by dx of sin x into log x. Here product of two terms are there. This equal to sin x d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of sin x. So this equal to, so now du by dx equal to u into bracket. Therefore du upon dx equal to u into du by dx equal to u into bracket. So derivative of sin x d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Sin x into 1 by x plus log x, derivative of sin x is cos x. So that is log x, derivative of sin is cos x. So substitute the value of u. Therefore du upon dx equal to, so x raised to sin x, this into bracket sin x upon x plus cos x into log x is the derivative. Call this is equation 2. V equal to sin x raised to cos x. So here also it is function raised to function, therefore taking log on both sides. Therefore log v equal to log of sin x raised to cos x. So log m raised to n. Therefore log v, this equal to cos x log sin x. So here product of two terms. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore 1 by v dv by dx equal to, so cos x d by dx of log sin x plus log sin x d by dx of cos x. Therefore, dv by dx equal to dv by dx equal to v into bracket, cross multiply with this v, cos x. So log 1 by sin x is 1 by sin x. So composite it is, therefore derivative of sin is cos x, and here log sin x, derivative of cos is minus sin x. So therefore substitute the value of v, so that is sin x raised to cos x, this into bracket. So cos y sin, so our cos y sin is cos x into cot x minus sin x log sin x. Now substitute the results, that is derivative of u, derivative of v, that is du by dx and dv by dx in the first result. That becomes, therefore the first result is dy by dx equal to du upon dx plus dv by dx. Now substitute du by dx, that is from 2, and dv by dx, that is from 3 in this equation. So therefore du by dx is x raised to sin x, this into bracket, sin x upon x plus cos x log x. Similarly, dv by dx, the result is sin x raised to cos x, sin x raised to cos x, this into bracket, cos x cot x, cos x cot x, cos x cot x minus sin x log x, that is cos x cot x minus sin x log sin x is the answer.